Hello everyone and welcome to a quick run through a SharePoint. We are going to navigate to the SharePoint team site. Start by logging into Office 365. Click the grid in the top left corner to open out all Office 365 apps. From there, click into SharePoint. This will now open up SharePoint's homepage, which shows all sites that you belong to. We can see news from these sites and also recent/frequent sites. If we click into the Vaughan Civil Team site, if we click into New, we have the option to add new features to the site. The homepage of the site also displays recent news and activity by all team members. You can also navigate to the search bar and find any files, documents, etc. from there. On the left-hand tab, we have Documents, where all files and folders are stored for this site. This is the same folder library that you will be able to see on your File Explorer on your desktop. From inside our Documents tab, we can create new Word documents, Excel files, etc., without having to use the desktop apps. Everything can be done through SharePoint Online. You can upload files and folders directly to your team site. By selecting Business Card, it has now been added into the Documents library for my whole team to view. Once uploaded, you can notify your team members that the file has been uploaded to your team site. The sharing options are available on the top tab. You can send the link as an email, or simply copy the link, also being able to copy it directly from the tab at the top. You can download a file or folder to your desktop, and a few other options also. If we click on the document we have previously worked on, and click the three dots, it pulls up a menu. We can look at the version history for a particular file. This feature will assist with the ability to audit the history of an item. If you hover over the Word doc, you can see who has viewed the document and any activity on it. By clicking into See Details, it pulls up the following window on the right. This is showing who has access, the properties, and the recent activity on the Word document. If you right-click the document, you can also check out the file. This allows you to make sure no one else can edit it whilst you are still working on it. If we click back out to the home page, we can see a breakdown on the right of all the documents belonging to this site and any updated activity that's happened on the site. We will now look at how SharePoint will feature on your PC. First, we will navigate to File Explorer. Vaughan Civil on the left-hand tab is SharePoint. Vaughan Civil Team Site is the site you belong to with all drives, which includes the likes of the IMS drive, project drive, etc. will be visible to you under Vaughan Civil. Opening up the Team Site folder shows you all the files and folders belonging to that site. By right-clicking the folder, you are given the following options. By choosing Always Keep on this device, the folder/file will download and always be available even when offline. It will start downloading to your PC once selected. We can then right-click again into the document, and from the options under OneDrive, we have the ability to share, view online, and look at the version history. Let's look at sharing first. You can send the link to people via email simply by adding their name and writing a quick message. This shared link will then appear as an email in the recipient's inbox. You will also be able to see a sent item email in your Outlook. If we right-click again and go back into the Share option under OneDrive, you have the ability to change the settings of the link, where the recipient can either edit the shared link, review it, or view only. You can also copy the link direct to your keyboard to easily paste into an email, Word document, etc. The link has been copied, and we can now send it in an email. By right-clicking into the document again and under OneDrive, we can choose to open the file online, which takes us to SharePoint web version again. If we open this document and work on it, it starts auto-saving straight away. Having this feature helps to reduce the risk or impact of data loss in case of a crash, freeze, or user error. If we open up the editing button, we see the options to switch the document to be editable, reviewable, or viewable only to other users. We can then open up the Word document on our desktop from the web version. If we go back to File Explorer, we can open up the version history for the Word doc. It shows any changes made by any user for that particular file, who modified it and when. We can restore previous versions of the Word doc and also have the option to download one. Version history allows you to go back in the history of a given document or an item. It also allows you to trace the changes that occurred. If we open up the Word document, you can see the changes from the web version have been applied, and the document will auto-save to your team's site. If we open up the comments section, you can add any necessary comments to the Word doc and it will sync live with any other team members working on the document. You can see it is auto-saving straight away. If we click Share in the top right corner, it gives the same options as before, where you can send the link via email or copy the link directly. Another feature from inside the file is the ability to convert it to a PDF, which opens up Outlook and the file is auto-attached to a new email. By opening up File Explorer again and looking at the status of our files and folders, we can see different icons. These icons and the status of the files is explained below. We have 3 different options for the files and folders. We can choose to keep it online only, on this device, and always available. The arrows also means that the file or folder are currently syncing to your device. Next we will look at the bottom right corner, which is the taskbar, which will pull up the icons. If you click into the taskbar and then into the blue cloud icon, which is SharePoint, it will give you a breakdown of the any files or folders that have been syncing between your OneDrive and PC. Thank you for watching.